Accelerate, the science of lean software and DevOps, building and scaling high-performing technology organizations is a guidebook for achieving high performance in software development and delivery through DevOps practices. Join me as we dive into the key terminology from Accelerate. Knowing these terms is a shortcut to comprehending the book's central concepts. DevOps, a software development approach that emphasizes collaboration and communication between development and operations teams to deliver software faster and more reliably. For example, a DevOps team at a tech startup works together to deploy code updates to their website without causing downtime. The importance of DevOps is that it can lead to faster time to market for software products and better collaboration between teams. Continuous improvement, the ongoing process of making small, incremental changes to improve processes and outcomes. A manufacturing company, for instance, regularly collects feedback from employees on how to improve production efficiency and implements changes based on that feedback. The importance of continuous improvement is that it can lead to increased efficiency, better quality products or services, and improved customer satisfaction. Lean methodology, a business approach focused on reducing waste and maximizing value for customers. A restaurant might use lean principles to streamline their ordering process, reducing wait times for customers. The importance of lean methodologies is that they can lead to increased efficiency, cost savings, and improved customer satisfaction. Agile methodology, a software development approach that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and customer feedback throughout the development process. An Agile team might develop a mobile app in short sprints while incorporating user feedback into each iteration. The importance of Agile methodologies is that they can lead to faster time to market for software products, better collaboration between teams, and improved customer satisfaction. Culture, the shared values, beliefs, behaviors, and customs of an organization or group of people. For example, a company culture that values transparency might encourage regular communication between employees at all levels of the organization. The importance of culture is that it can have a significant impact on employee engagement, productivity, satisfaction, and overall success of an organization. Metrics, quantitative measurements used to evaluate performance or progress towards a goal. A sales team might track metrics such as the number of leads generated or conversion rate to evaluate their performance. The importance of metrics is that they provide objective data that can help identify areas for improvement and track progress towards goals. Lead time, the time it takes from the start of development to the release of a new feature or product. A software development team might track lead time as a metric to evaluate their efficiency in delivering new features. The importance of reducing lead time is that it can lead to faster time to market for software products and improved customer satisfaction. Deployment frequency, the pace at which new versions of code are released. A DevOps team might aim for a high deployment frequency, releasing new code updates multiple times per day. The importance of high deployment frequency is that it can lead to faster time to market for software products and better collaboration between teams. Mean time to restore, the time it takes to fix an outage, bug, or service break. For example, a website with a mean time to restore of 1 hour means that any issues are typically resolved within an hour of being reported. The importance of reducing mean time to restore is that it can help minimize downtime and improve customer satisfaction. Change fail percentage, the ratio of changes made that require fixing or rollback. A DevOps team might aim for a low change fail percentage, indicating that the majority of changes they make are successful on the first try. The importance of reducing change fail percentage is that it can help minimize downtime and improve customer satisfaction. Autonomy, the ability for individuals or teams to make their own decisions and take actions without needing approval from higher-ups. An Agile development team has autonomy in deciding what features to work on in each sprint. The importance of autonomy is that it can lead to increased employee engagement, better decision-making, and improved outcomes. Continuous testing, the practice of testing code throughout the development process rather than waiting until the end. An Agile development team might use continuous testing tools such as automated unit tests or integration tests to ensure code is working properly at each stage of development. The importance of continuous testing is that it can help catch and fix issues earlier in the development process, reducing the risk of delays or issues at release. People management. The practice of managing individuals or teams to achieve business goals. A manager might use people management techniques such as regular check-ins, goal setting, and performance feedback to help their team be more productive. The importance of effective people management is that it can lead to increased employee engagement, higher productivity, and better outcomes for the organization. Inclusion. The practice of ensuring that all individuals feel valued and included within a team or organization regardless of their background or identity. A company might implement diversity and inclusion training programs to ensure that all employees feel welcome and supported. The importance of inclusion is that it can lead to increased employee satisfaction, better collaboration between teams, and improved outcomes for the organization. Now that we've delved into these vital terms, let's take a moment to consider how they can help us grow and learn. How can we measure our team's performance using the right metrics? What is the importance of adapting standard software development methods according to specific needs? How can we establish excellent leadership in our organization? What are some ways we can encourage a culture of continuous improvement? I hope you found these terms informative. Check out our other videos to discover more significant terms from the world's greatest books.